Hey guys, this is Doug Schmidt with Equity Builders Roofing, back for more tips and trips. It's that time of year, gutter clean out time. If you'll notice, here's a good example. I bet your gutters look the same. Most all of them do. If you don't have gutter guards on, it's that time of year when we're getting all the leaf buildup. You can see how water is just not able to flow because it's all backed up with leaves and debris. Let's make sure we get your gutters clean. Most people don't realize how big a problem that is. If all this rainwater coming off the roof is not able to get away from your building, particularly your house, then all this water ends up right at your foundation. Gets the dirt around your house way too saturated, and that water is going to go somewhere. It's going to find its way through a crack or creep through your blocks. That's why we have so many wet crawl spaces and wet basement issues. The best thing you can do for your house is to make sure all of this volume of water on every rain gets into a gutter, into a downspout, into a pipe flowing away from your house. So be sure your gutters are cleaned out. Give us a call if you need help with it. That's something that you can do real easily on your own. Or now would be a good time to get some gutter guards installed so you don't have to make this a twice a year project. That's it. Thanks.